Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix camera problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A04s and A04s 5G. So if you're having any trouble related to camera in your device Samsung Galaxy A04s and A04s 5G, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any camera problem in your device.